Well, Lok Sabha Member of Parliament from Thiruvananthapuram, Mr. Shashi Tharoor, has now weighed in on the state of the Indian economy after the leader of the opposition and Congress party leader Rahul Gandhi had said that the Indian economy is dead, pretty much echoing what the US President Donald Trump has said earlier. Shashi Tharoor has now decided to contradict Rahul Gandhi, and he has said that the Indian economy is not dead by any means. Let's listen into what Shashi Tharoor said.
थरूर साहब, आप यूएस डेलीगेशन लेके गए थे और ट्रम्प साहब पाकिस्तान को ऑयल डील कर रहे हैं और
उस विषय के बारे में मैं जो कुछ कहना था कल कह दिया।
भारत की इकोनॉमी डेड हो चुकी है सर?
नहीं बिल्कुल नहीं यार, आपको पता है।
थरूर साहब, आप यूएस डेलीगेशन लेके गए थे और ट्रम्प साहब पाकिस्तान को ऑयल डील कर रहे हैं और
उस विषय के बारे में मैं जो कुछ कहना था कल कह दिया।
भारत की इकोनॉमी डेड हो चुकी है सर?
नहीं बिल्कुल नहीं यार, आपको पता है।
So not the first time that Shashi Tharoor is contradicting his own party leadership, so to speak. On multiple counts have they ended up deferring, whether that's on Operation Sindoor or now on the state of the Indian economy. Remember that Shashi Tharoor did not speak in Parliament on the issue of Operation Sindoor, and now once again he's contradicted his own party leader, where he's basically saying that the Indian economy is not dead. Let me go across to Niyamika now for more on this. Niyamika, the differences between Shashi Tharoor and the party leadership have only intensified, with yet another contradictory message being sent out by the Lok Sabha Member of Parliament from Thiruvananthapuram, directly contradicting Rahul Gandhi's claims that the Indian economy is dead.
Well, yes, indeed, as many of the other India Bloc MPs have also taken a different line from Rahul Gandhi, as on one side, Rahul Gandhi has stated that he welcomes the statement which is being given by the US President Donald Trump, as he has also made a tweet regarding this entire matter, saying that the Indian economy is dead. But on the other side, it is his own party MP, Shashi Tharoor, who has once again chosen to take a different line, as he has stated that Indian economy isn't dead, as that is what is being stated by many other India Bloc leaders as well, that we are the third largest economy in the world, and saying this, that the economy of our country is dead, is not correct at all. While on the other side, we have seen that how various Congress leaders have also come out in support of Rahul Gandhi's statement, saying that the manner in which the entire distribution of wealth is being given in the hands of the capitalists, that is what is being Rahul Gandhi was trying to say in his particular tweet. But the BJP is basically attacking the Congress party, and specifically the leader of opposition in Lok Sabha, Mr. Rahul Gandhi, for making such kind of statements, to which now it is Congress MP Shashi Tharoor who has also come out in open, and he is also not ready to speak in support of Rahul Gandhi. However, it will be really interesting to see that how it is going to pan out, because earlier also on different occasions we have seen that how Shashi Tharoor has not agreed about the statement, the opinion which has been given by Rahul Gandhi or the other leaders, the top leadership of the Congress party, whether it is about the Pahalgam terror attack of Operation Sindoor, and that is what we have seen during the debate as well, that he was not given a chance, he was not given an opportunity by the Congress party to speak within the Parliament regarding this entire matter. Now, once again, another issue has come up which is related to the economy of our country, and now once again, Shashi Tharoor has clearly make it clear on the part of his own statement that he does not agree with what the claim is being made by Rahul Gandhi regarding our economy.
Well, let's see if there is any response forthcoming to what Tharoor has said from the party leadership, or even the likes of Manikam Tagore, among others, who've decided to, of course, take on Tharoor directly on the social media. Let's once again listen in to what Mr. Tharoor said a short while back.
थरूर साहब, आप यूएस डेलीगेशन लेके गए थे और ट्रम्प साहब पाकिस्तान को ऑयल डील कर रहे हैं और
उस विषय के बारे में मैं जो कुछ कहना था कल कह दिया।
भारत की इकोनॉमी डेड हो चुकी है सर?
नहीं बिल्कुल नहीं यार, आपको पता है।
थरूर साहब, आप यूएस डेलीगेशन लेके गए थे और ट्रम्प साहब पाकिस्तान को ऑयल डील कर रहे हैं और
उस विषय के बारे में मैं जो कुछ कहना था कल कह दिया।
भारत की इकोनॉमी डेड हो चुकी है सर?
नहीं बिल्कुल नहीं यार, आपको पता है।
So once again, Shashi Tharoor choosing not to take the party line, so to speak, when it comes to the state of the Indian economy, clearly and categorically stating that the Indian economy is not dead. Let's listen into what Rahul Gandhi had said, pretty much echoing the American President Donald Trump about the state of the Indian economy. This is what Rahul Gandhi had to say yesterday.
He's right. I mean, everybody knows this, except the Prime Minister and the Finance Minister. Everybody knows that the Indian economy is a dead economy. I'm glad that President Trump has stated a fact.
Now, this was, of course, in the context of US President Donald Trump deciding to impose tariffs to the tune of almost 25% on India. Those tariffs are expected to now kick in from the 7th of August. We have more reactions coming in. We have RP Singh of the Bharatiya Janata Party now joining us. Mr. RP Singh, once again, we see a point of dissension within the Congress party where Mr. Tharoor has decided to not play along the party line. Mr. Rahul Gandhi yesterday said that the Indian economy is dead, pretty much echoing Donald Trump. Today, Mr. Tharoor has categorically said that the Indian economy is not dead, pretty much implying that he does not share the view of the leader of the opposition.
Sir, for anyone for whom India is first, he will understand that India is a growing economy and doing much better than the world economies. I mean, and also that we were among the fragile five when Prime Minister Modi took over, and we are among the robust four in the world today, and we are going to be number 3 economy by another 2 years. So everyone knows that, and also our GDP growth has been very consistent. Although after Corona, world GDP went down, but we have been very consistent throughout. And also that we have elevated almost 25 crore people from the poverty line. And the ratio was almost 23 point some percent, where we probably are 5.3% now as a nation, as are people who are below poverty line. So gradually we are doing much better than other world economies. But Rahul Gandhi, as he is, he always tried to demean India or trying to defame India, and he takes a stand which is not cohesive for the country.
Thanks, Mr. RP Singh, for your perspective. So that's the BJP stand on what Rahul Gandhi has said. But incidentally, it's not just Shashi Tharoor who appears to have a different point of view than Rahul Gandhi, among others, in the Congress party. Let's listen in to a whole host of reactions that came in yesterday in response to President Trump's remarks that the Indian economy is dead.
ट्रम्प का ये कहना है कि भारत और रूस की इकोनॉमी डेड है, एकदम गलत बात है। भारत की इकोनॉमी डेड नहीं।
We are negotiating with many countries. The US is not the only negotiation. We are not without option. If America is completely unreasonable in their demands, we will have to go elsewhere.
We shouldn't panic immediately. These are all opening positions in a negotiation.
यह भी अपेक्षित है कि हम कुछ ही वर्षों में तीसरी सबसे बड़ी अर्थव्यवस्था बन जाएंगे। अंतर्राष्ट्रीय संस्थाएं और अर्थशास्त्री भारत को वैश्विक अर्थव्यवस्था में एक ब्राइट स्पॉट के रूप में देखते हैं।
Well, we stay focused on remarks made